Hello, children. Hope you're well. Oh, yes, I can see you all smiling. Smile looks good on you. So, let's begin. Can you see a picture over here? Yes, you can see a picture of a boy. And what's the boy doing? He's lying on a bed and he has put his face in a pillow and he's crying. Can you guess what is the name of today's poem? Yes, the poem is about crying. So today's poem is Crying and it's taken from NCERT Book 5 and the name of the book is Marigold for Class 5. So here the poem goes. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. Then you can throw open your window and ha, ha, ha. And if people say, hey, what's going up there? Ha, ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last tear. I wept it. Ha ha. And the poet of this poem is Galvin Kinnell. So let's see what the poet wants to say. So here's the summary of the poem for you. So the poet says that if you cry a little bit, then crying a little bit will of no use. So you must cry so hard, so very much that your pillow should be soaked with your cry and your pillow should be soaked wet. Then you should jump. You should jump and take a shower and make sound in the shower like splash, splash and splash. And you should put the water of the shower here and there and it will make a sound splash, splash, splash. And then you become happy and you in your happiness, you open the window and start laughing and make sound while laughing, ha ha ha. And when people will say, hey, what's going up there? Then you again start laughing, okay, ha ha ha, and say back. Happiness was hiding in the last year, means I'm very happy now after my last year. And I wept all my sadness and now I'm very happy. Ha ha ha. So here's the summary of the poem Crying. Hope it helps. Bye bye.